They often say teachers are list people, and I know I'm a list person. During the day, I write a lot of lists from the things that I need to do, prioritizing them from 1, 2, 3, or writing lists in terms of like shopping lists. I need to buy this and this and this, and having little check boxes next to them. And very often we use text editors to complete those lists so that we can print it out. Now, to find lists, we go again back to the home page or the home tab, and we go to the paragraph grouping. Now, you can group paragraphs according to sentences or to words, and to do that you need to write them underneath each other by using the enter key. So I've gone ahead and I've wrote out facts about robotics, and then also words that's underneath each other about parts for my robotics class. So if I want to have facts, let's include bullets for them. Now, to use these bullet lists, you can highlight the entire the amount of sentences that you want, and we can go up to the paragraph section to the bullets. Now, you can click by just inserting them, and it will select the default round bullet. You can also go ahead and change them by clicking on the drop down arrow. Now you can choose from any of them. You can say the check marks, you can use these little styles. You can also define and change the level of which there should be at. So sometimes there should be a bullet, and then underneath there should be another bullet. You can also define your bullets. So you can say, listen, I want to use a specific symbol. Let's say, for instance, it is a checklist. Then I will use a little square that's hollow inside. So if I click that and I say OK, I then define it. I can also then say the type of alignment I want the bullets to have. So it should be on the right, centered, or it should be on the left, so the closest. You can also then say the type of font that you would want with these bullets. So those are options as well, and then they look something like that. Now, something else, you can insert with bullets. You can also insert pictures. So if I say new bullet and I define the bullet, I can go to picture. In my picture, I choose from file, and there I have a little robot, and I want to insert him there. And there we go. And they are very small, but you can at least still see them. So those are bulleted lists. The next concept that I want to discuss is I want to discuss numbering lists. So here we have parts of a robot, and I want them to be a part of a numbered list. Now I can highlight them, and I can go and say insert, and it will choose it 1, 2, 3 to 6. We can also use different numeric styles, and there's numbering lists that you can choose from. You can say, for instance, you want it A, B, C, D, or F. If you want to create a multiple choice kind of questionnaire, you can also say first, second, and fourth. So those are when you have races and you write out the winners of that. You can also include, there's sometimes a difference between having brackets and using full stops. Then you can also change the level again, so you can say 1A, 1B, and so forth. And then you can also define your type of numbering system that you want. So you can use the Greek system, you can use that, and then you can say number format. So you can say, let's say we want it at Y, then they would choose that one. So we can say OK, and it would have changed it for us. You will also see that when we select them, they kind of move them. We call that indent. So it is not in line with the main paragraph, but we indented the numbered list.